The Frizz Defense Rotating Hot Air Styler. End your battle with frizz and create flawlessly smooth blow dries with volume every time. Super Frizz Defense technology releases 60% more ions to eliminate static. It conditions the hair cuticle for ultimate frizz-free smoothness and enhanced shine. The Frizz Defense Rotating Hot Air Styler combines the benefits of a hairdryer with a brush for easy one-handed styling. Amplify your style with 2 multi-directional rotating soft bristle brushes to smooth and add volume as you dry. 2 heat speed settings with 1000 watts, perfect on medium to long and thicker hair types. Ceramic technology for smooth results. Pre-dry hair to 80% dry. Use the larger brush for long, thicker hair and bigger volume, and use the smaller brush for medium hair and fringes. Take a section around the width of the brush and brush through the hair 1 to 2 times. Activate the rotation button at the ends. Allow the brush to wrap up towards the head. Allow it to dry the hair for a few seconds, then activate the reverse rotation button to release the section. Repeat until all the hair is styled. Release the top section of the hair and create volume through the crown by drying it in a back direction, allowing the brush to rotate in and out. Activate the cool setting and hold the brush in at the roots to set the style. Attach the smaller brush for styling the front. Take small sections and let the brush spin freely at the ends before rotating inwards. And that's how you create easy smooth styles with volume at home.